I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I gotta like that.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have a unboxing and a company by UNice, something like that, but I'll leave it in the description box and I'll leave it across the screen. This hair company did reach out to me and sent me a unit, so of course I'm going to share with you all. So if y'all want to see what's in this box and what unit they sent, then please keep watching. Like I was saying, this company reached out to me and asked me that I want to do a wig review, and of course I said yeah, because if y'all been following me for a while, y'all know I did dip and dab in some hair reviews as far as wigs and things like that here on my channel. So I was like, yeah, of course I could use a new wig. I was able to pick out the wig that I wanted to review here on my channel, so it did just come in the mail. Well, it came through FedEx. It didn't take that long for me to receive the unit, and everything far as the details and where to purchase, I will have it linked down in my description box, and it will be in my Amazon store as well. So I will again have all the links down below just in case you are in the market for a new wig, because you know when wintertime comes, you know you need a cute wig. In the summertime I barely wear wigs because it's, child, to be honest, is way too hot. So that's why I wore my braids as long as I did. So since the weather is going to be cooling down, since we in the month of September, I was like, okay. And then they happened to reach out. I said, okay, boom, I got a wig, because I was just getting ready to go purchase a wig. Well, I did purchase one, but I didn't do a review on it yet. I'm not sure if I will. But anyway, y'all know I get the rambling. So let me go ahead and start the review. Here is the box. It says the right way to measure, how to comb the wig. So you can wash and shampoo the wig, but again, here on this channel I don't do all the plucking and bleaching. This is beginner friendly type of wig reviews. More detailed wig reviews, y'all may want to look elsewhere, because like I said, I'm more so take out the package, maybe do a little this and a little that to it, and then I'll put it on. So that's what you're going to get here. So here is the box, and it did come with some other goodies. I was surprised because I did already peek in it just to make sure everything was everything. It did come with this polka dot headband, came in this little pink bag with a hair wrap, and it came with a wig cap. Okay, for some reason my monitor went off, but we're gonna go ahead and keep it moving. But like I was saying, it came with a wig cap, so when you purchase from this here particular company, you don't have to worry about purchasing yourself a wig cap. And back when I was wearing, like, I wore wigs before people even started to wear wigs, you guys. Like, I'm a wiggy from way back when I used to get my wigs, and I still do wear wigs. We used to do black caps. Now they have these hair tan caps, I guess, to look more like your scalp. But yeah, it don't really matter to me, because like I said, I don't do all that extra stuff. Maybe one day I will adventure on to bleaching and doing all that, but as of now I just stay in my lane, which is something that's easy for me. I'm sure it's some people that's still out there like myself that likes to have a wig that's a little more easier to deal with versus having to bleach it and all that. So it did also come with these here nail wraps, so I probably would get these to my daughter. And last but not least, it came with some lashes. So these hair lashes, you would probably have to cut them, because as you can see, they are really long, and I didn't feel like dealing with them, so I just used what I'm used to. So, but I'm sure I would get some use out of these, or I may give them to my daughter, because she likes playing in makeup. Of course, her mommy plays in makeup. Here's the wig, and this here is an 18-inch, and I got it with the part in the middle down. I don't know, for some reason I thought the lace was going to already be on the wig, whereas though I would have been able to you know, make baby hair and do things to it. But as you can see, the wig was, I mean, the lace was already cut off. So it didn't give me the look that I was looking for with the middle part. So instead of me using it as a middle part, I'm gonna use this as a headband type of wig. So I'm gonna just go ahead and switch it up, because like I said, I didn't really care for the middle part by itself. And that's why I opened the wig, because I wanted to make sure I can make it work before I do a review on it. Because if not, I would have, you know, of course, let them know that I will be sending it back. Here's the wig out the packaging. Like I said, I don't wash my wigs. No particular reason why, but I just don't. But if you want to, you can. It do come with 2 combs here, and then it also comes with a comb in the back, and then you also have your adjustable straps just in case you want to make it tighter. For some reason this didn't fit tight. I don't know why. Like, I have a big head, but I don't know, I wanted it to fit a little tighter. And then when I was trying to make it tighter, it was like making the back lift up. I probably just have to adjust everything. But like I said, I ended up making it into a headband wig. So you do have your part, you do have your deep part in the middle. If for some reason you don't know how to cut your lace off, this may be a good wig for you, because like I said, the lace was already cut. I don't mind cutting my lace, because like I said, I've been wearing wigs for a real long time, so I'm used to cutting lace off of my wig. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and then I'm gonna come back with the new wig on. And then I'm gonna come back with the wig on. So here is the wig cap. And like I said, I usually, like when I watch wig reviews, I see people put makeup on here and do all of that. But like I said, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to with the middle part, because I don't know, the middle part just didn't work for me. So I'm not going to worry about putting makeup here and doing all of that, because like I said, this hair is more of a beginner friendly type of wig. The wig on over here, that's because I have my mirror. I'm doing is placing the combs here in the front. I don't know, I was just never a middle part. I thought I could curl the hair. The hair is really soft, you guys. So to go ahead and pull this to the back like this, go and place the headband on it. I have my Louis Vuitton headband. It'll be okay. Headband type of wig. Just any headband that you want. I just pulled out my Louis Vuitton because I don't have to worry about measuring it and all of that. Well, here is the wig. I'm going to turn to the back so you can see the body of the wig. Let me see if I can stand up so y'all can see. Before it is 18 inches, and you can wear also, you can also pull your hair to the front and wear it like that. And this is not tied the way I wanted it to be tied. Let me see if I can. The one that came out the box. This one is not as thick as that one. And I think I like this one because it's a lot shorter. Okay, so now this is the one with the headband that came with the wig. So this one, like I said, is a lot better because the strap is shorter. Here is the hair on this side. And then also I like the fact that it's not thick. Like, I could wear this in the heat and I won't, you know, feel hot. Because like I said, some wigs is to the point where I'm like, I gotta take this off, it's too hot. Like, here I could work out in this wig. Like, say if I was walking and wanted to be cute at the same time, I could do that. Because for instance, like, I'm gonna show you, pull this up in a ponytail. But here's the wig in the ponytail, so I'm gonna turn around just so you can see. As you can see, it looks like my hair. Like, look at that. And then you also can push this hair all the way up in a bun. And you wanted to wear it like this. Now you would just have to fix the back of your hair. So yeah, you would just have to fix the back, you know, just so that part down here can lay flat. But for the sake of the video, I'm just showing you different ways. This way is cute as well. A little bun on the top, but if not, you could just wear it down. And as you can see, the curls, well, the hair lay right back. To wear it all on one side and give that little sexy look. So this wig is cute, you guys. Let me stand up in the front so you can see. So here is the wig all to the front. You have a little bit of body wave or a little bounciness going on. I did cut the front a little just to give my front, just to frame the front of my face. That I'm not a professional. I just did that only because like it was straight. Even though this is like a beginner type of wig review, but sometimes when you get your wig out the package, you may have to do a little tweaking to it, and that's all I did. Was I just cut the front just a little bit, like I said, just so it could lay nice. That's why it lays like this, because the way I cut the hair, like I cut it on the angle. And I did take it out the box to make sure I could make it do what it do. Like I said, once I saw it, I was like, that middle part was not for me. Making this my headband type of wig. So like I was saying, this is the wig, and I will leave all the details and the info regarding this wig. So you will be seeing this hair wig in my tutorials, my makeup tutorials. Not that I'm gonna do a lot, but when I do my makeup tutorials, now I have a wig, because normally I'll, you know, put a headscarf on, but now all I gotta do is just pin the hair back, and then when I'm finished, just fluff it out. Because this is really cute, y'all. I didn't think I would have been able to make it work, because I was just like, okay, this part, middle part is not working for me. But I like it, y'all. Like, let me know what y'all think. The hair is still bouncy and flowy. I was saying, y'all, that is my wig. And yeah, I really love this hair wig, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Like, so cute. So like I said, if you decide to purchase this wig, you may want to tweak it a little bit. You may, you know, some of y'all may be a little more advanced than me, so y'all may get this wig and do it way better than I did. Like I said, this here is more of a beginner friendly type of wig. So like I said, all I did was just cut the front of it just a little bit, and I tried to put some curls in it. Well, you know, tighten the front of the wig. And with that being said, you all, if y'all like my wig reviews, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.